So, hello English learners, how have you been? Hope so you all are doing great. And yesterday I made one video about the how you can learn English, and it's a second video. And you know what? Why am I making this video? Because I felt like yesterday I talked with in Hindi, but because I am an English learner, so I feel like why not? I should speak in English. So let's get started. And today I'm going to talk about how you can learn English at home because you don't have too much money to learn English, because I didn't have at that time. That's why the reason I watched in phone. So let's from the sketch. So firstly, I'm telling you again, what are you up to? So let's get started, guys. So first thing first, as far as your English journey is concerned, if you want to learn English, you need to do three things. Okay, and if you do these things, 110% for sure, your English would be improved more and more. Because I did these things, and right now I am talking with you in English. Sorry to say, I am talking to you in English. Okay, because I am a beginner. I would say not I am beginner. I am an intermediate level, I would say. So why not? I will tell you something. So if you want to speak English, as well as if you want to talk to someone, so you need to have a some roadmap, and today I gonna to tell you. So first thing first, you get to know about tenses, how you can use, because tense is very important in spoken English, because whenever you will speak with someone right now, you can sense to me like what am I sharing with you in English, because I am using tense. I feel I am using tense, and right now I have told you about the like a present continue tense. So you should know about tense. After that, you have to know about modal verbs, and these are two essential things in. And if you do these things, 110% for sure, you can tell with someone by 70 to 80%. But on the other hand, you are speaking with someone, you are speaking to someone, but it's not a necessary for you, mandatory for you, like you should speak with you someone at least 5 to 10 hours per day. And I feel you are feeling like a so indolent, but who cares, it's your life. And if you want to become someone in your life, you have to do that, because it's your life. And when you will learn English, you can get something whatsoever you want to do in your life. Although I feel I'm not good at English, but 110% for sure one day I will be. And I don't care about the people. Right now I made mistake, but who cares, it's my life. And I am, like I would say, I am telling you something, something, something 60 to 80%, and I don't want to cut any clip, you know. So I have told you two things. Firstly, you have to know about tenses and modal verbs. You have to talk with someone like a 5 to 10 hours, and talk with someone like a whenever you will solitude. Okay, so you need to practice again and again, more and more, and you need to narrate your life. And when you narrate your life, you can grab something. And I want to wrap up this session, but before that I want to share with you four things. If you want to learn English, you need to follow three things as well: reading, writing, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And if you do these things 110% for sure, you can grab anything day by day. Because I am an English learner and I don't know too much English, I know that much good English, but who cares? And hope so you are getting my point. But you need to have a one thing. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak with someone, you need to have consistency like mindset. And if you have that kind of condition, that kind of mindset, 110% for sure, you will be a good English learners. So thank you so much for being here, guys. I want to wrap up this session. वाह कैसा